Hi viewers, welcome to MS Academic channel. Now we are going to the third problem, most important question. So information given: the standard mix of products, raw material X department, 30 units at 2 rupees. Raw material Y department, 70 units at 3 rupees. Now SQSP, X department, Y department, 30, 2 rupees and 73 rupees. And standard loss 10 percentage. Standard loss 10 percentage. Okay. And input actual mix 34 units of X and Y 66. 34, 66. And rates are the same. Rates are the same. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So in the given information SQ, SP, AQ, AP. The first problem, second problem is given only department individual. Only one department. But in this problem is given two departments. X department and Y departments. Okay, the loss before 100 hundreds. Loss 10 percentage, the standard loss, and 15 percentage actual loss. Okay, the total 90, 85. Loss before 100, loss after 85. The most important topic, before and after. Okay, first one here, the calculation of RQ required quantity, total AQ. Total AQ how much? 100. And SQ individuality X department 30, Y department 70. So 100 into 30 by 100 cancel. So remaining 30 RQ X department. 100 cancel, 70 Y department. The first one calculation MCV. MCV SQ into SP, AQ into AP. Okay. So 30 into 2, 34 into 2, 60 and 68 minus value 8A. 70 into 3, 66 into 3, Y department 210 minus 198 and F12F. So different X department minus value, Y department plus value 12 minus from more than 12 F. సో ఇక డిఫరెంట్ ఏంది ఇక్కడ 4 రూపీస్. ఆ 4 రూపీస్ అని ఎఫ్ అని తీసుకున్నామంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కన్నా ప్లస్ వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది తీసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎంయూఏ ఎస్పీ ఇంటూ ఎస్క్యూ మైనస్ ఏక్యూ. ఎక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ 2 4 జా 8A అండ్ 3 4 జా 12F. 12 ఎక్కువ ఉంది, పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫేవరబుల్ 4 ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఎంఎంబి mixed material mixed variance SP into RQ minus AQ. X department SP to 30 34 minus 4 2 4 ja 8A and Y department 3 SP 3 and 70 minus 66 4 positive value 3 4 ja 12 minus 8 4 here 4F 4F different. This is called as MMB. Now most important MYB. The first one RSY calculation. Calculation of RSY, loss before AQ into 100 minus standard loss by 100. Loss before AQ. Here loss before AQ 100 into 100 minus standard loss, the given 10 percentage. By 100 cancel, 100 minus 10 minus is equal 90 RSY. The second one SYR RQ into SP. This here only X department and Y department. Then there are X department and Y department. RQ into SP, RQ into SP, etc. In case of Z department is additional RQ into SP. So by RSY 30 into 2 plus 70 into 3 by 90. So 60 plus 210, 270 by 90, 0 cancel, 9 1 ja 9 3 ja. So SYR is equal 3. MYV is equal SYR into loss after AQ minus RSY. Loss after AQ, loss before 100, loss after AQ 85. So here 85 minus RSY 90. Different 5, 3 5 are 15. So here minus value కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం ఏ అన్ఫేవరబుల్గా పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓ థ్యాంక్ యూ.